All right, today we are going to be discussing about social media safety tips, okay? Because so many people have been scammed and so many people have cried, some have lost money because of what happens on social media. We know internet is good, but you have to be careful for you not to get scammed on it. Since I fell for identity theft, I'm always careful, and that's why I took a course in cybersecurity. And from there, I'm teaching you some things you need to know. The number one safe practice on social media is not to believe some get rich quick offers. Right? Sometimes you see some people they'll come to your, messenger and they will tell you that they have some investment plans for you. You put maybe $50 or $100 and you get $500 in 24 hours. That's a red flag. So once you see that, you know that this is likely to be a scam if you go into it. You're likely to lose your money because once the guy succeeds in convincing you and you get involved in it and you pay in a particular account, he may end up blocking you. Most times you don't know these guys. And some of them you may think that is the guy that you know that's chatting you, but you don't know that his account has been hacked. So be careful. And that's what will lead us to another safe practice on social media. Do not believe everything you see on social media. Some people may post some images that will look so good, some scenarios that will look so good, and they want to use that to scam you. So don't believe everything you see there. Filter some things, scrutinize some things because internet is not as safe as you think. So if you are not informed, they will use you and shine and take the one you have already. Okay? The next point is not to click on links from unknown users. Somebody may chat you and tell you he saw some pictures of you on a particular website, that you should click a particular link to see the pictures. That he doesn't understand what the pictures are talking about, that it doesn't look good. So you may paint a picture that may, put fear in you. And because of that fear, be like, okay, let me go and click on this link to know what is happening. What are they saying about me? Why is my picture on the internet? What is happening? Or not to you, that link is a phishing link. Or a link that is meant to corrupt your phone or your computer. Are you getting it? So a lot of this is happening. So these guys are bad. So when you click on that link, your details about your Facebook may be filtered into the server computer of that person that sent that link to you. Your password, your username, your Facebook username, and other important information about you. And he will successfully maybe log you out from your end and log in. That's how accounts get hacked. So when somebody sends some links to you, even if you know the person, hover over that cursor, you will see the real direction, the real URL of that link where it is heading to, pointing at. So some may be like maybe amazon.com forward slash goods, but something is embedded inside. A dirty link, a dangerous link is embedded inside. So when you click now, it will take you to another place. You'll be redirected to another place and they will hack your account. So don't click on links. Even if the link is being sent to you by somebody you know, maybe the person's account have been hacked. Then another same practice on social media is this: be conscious of urgent demand for money. Yes, maybe you have a friend on Facebook who you usually chat with, and one day he comes up with one story. My mom is sick. My brother have a kidney issue. This one, he wants to undergo dialysis. Please, can you help me with $50, or can you help me send $100 to this particular account so that we can buy his drugs, his medicine? Sometimes that chat may be from somebody's a friend you know, but it's no longer the one behind that account. The account has been hacked. So there are a lot of tricks. So when a message comes with urgency for money, don't take action immediately. Hold back a little. Take a look. And if possible, if you know the guy in real life and you have his phone number, call him to confirm, because this is how people, scammers, defraud people on social media. So it's becoming too much these days. So be careful with anything that demands for money from you so quickly within a short time. You should act now or something will spoil. So be mindful of that. Okay. Another point is be mindful of romance scams. A lot of romance scams are going on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Somebody may start initiate a conversation with you. You guys are talking on a normal ground. Before you know, he will start professing love. I love you. I like the way you do things. And start talking about some kind of stuff, romance stuff. Once he is able to get you psychologically, people that fear for this mainly are people that are lonely and the people that are divorced or seniors that don't have somebody that keep them warm. All right. So once they get you psychologically, you may end up losing money, because before you know, he will paint a story of how his brother jumped from a five-story building and he fell and broke his rib. And out of pity, because you're already in love with a criminal, or not to you, he will send some money to him or her. So romance scam happen on social media, and you don't need to fall for that. Okay. Then review the privacy settings of your social media account. Not everything should be shown on social media. All right. Not everything. If you are not into business, maybe you're not selling a product or service on social media, there is no need for you to make your phone number public, because these guys can track you with your phone number or your home address. Don't put your home address there. It's not necessary on social media, because somebody may start tracking you from social media, from Facebook, and then come and rob you in real life. So review, edit your bio section and some details about you. Hide some things. Some things do not supposed to be public. Phone number, email address, and your home address. Okay? You don't need to upload your certificate. All right, your maybe your degree certificate or some qualifications you have earned so far on social media, because there they may steal your identity and know your real name, some things about your age and gender and the rest. So review your privacy settings on Facebook, Instagram, and the rest to stay safer on social media. So these are the social media tips you need to know to stay safe on the internet. And if this content helps you, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we teach technology that cuts across so many areas, including cybersecurity. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your view. If there are there other tips that people need to know, just leave them in the comment section. Okay? And you can watch this video to learn more on cybersecurity. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.